Hello, good morning and afternoon to everyone. My name is Afiq Fikri bin Arman and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you to our beloved lecturer, Dr. Lechumanan Anak Lelaki Shanmugam. As you can see on the screen, my topic today is Lab Task 1 and how to create a form in a Visual Studio Basic. Let's watch. Okay, first of all, you click toolbox. At the search bar, you search combo box. For the combo box, the function is display all list of items that user can select from or user can type their own entry. This control is often used to allow user to select a value from a list such as their country or their favorite color or what's another thing. Okay, second, click on toolbox and then you search a label, type a label at the search bar and then label 1 will appear. The label function is display text to user. This control is often used to provide instruction or to label other control on a form. Form 1. And you can adjust the properties like you rename label name, and for label name is name, and you can adjust the font or sizing of the font and color and whatever. And then click on toolbox again and search text box. Click and drag to the form 1. For the text box allow user to enter a text. This control can be used to collect input from user such as their name, address or email or what's ID or whatever. You can design other properties, rename as a text username, text name, and you click enter. And then search again at the toolbox, search button, right and click to form 1. For the button allow user to perform an action. This control is often used to start a process, such as submitting a form or opening a new window or another form. You also can adjust other properties and rename the button as a submit button. And design like a BTN, the name is a BTN submit. And also can adjust a font or whatever, and then click again a toolbox at and the last object control from the toolbox tab in Visual Studio is list box. A list box displays a list of items that users can select. This control can be used to display a list of options, such as a state, in United States, like example, or the product in a store. First of all, open Visual Studio, and then on the Start Windows, choose Create a New Project. On the Create a New Project window, select and search the Form Apps.NET Framework template for Visual Basics, and you must start Windows Form app. You must choose a Visual Basic, and then must click Next, and then rename your name project at Windows Form app, like let task 1, and then click Create. Wait a minute. At the toolbox setting, you must search object control like label. First step, you must drag and adjust the label at form 1. After that, I choose a text box and add it to the form 1. Label and text box. Do the same things. Label 1 and label 2 and text box in the toolbox setting. After that, at the properties setting and section, you must rename at the text username at label 1, and at the label 2 you must rename password, and then at properties setting, at the design you must label and rename like username, label username, password, label password at the design setting. And then rename the text box in the design text username, txt username, and the password txt password. After that, you can change the font sizing of the font. Add font setting in the property setting. Change sizing in 15. At the top of menu bar have View tab. Click that and click the Toolbox tab. In the toolbox, drag and drop the object control that you want to add to the form. Once the object control are added to the form, you can resize and move them to desired location. In the form 1, you may adjust anything in the design that you want and control to the properties bar, and then select and search a toolbox, which is a button, and rename the button. Name of the button is login. At the design, you must rename button login. Change the font and color or whatever type you want, and adjust to center the button. In this form, you must add another Windows form into this project. The step is at the menu bar on the top, you must click the project button, project bar, and then add form. And there will appear a form 2. And you may design like form 1, click a toolbox, and then drop down, drag and drop like whatever you want. Adjust at the properties, at the text, I name as a welcome to form 2, welcome to homepage at the form number 2. And then you will resize a color, a font, a background, a design name. I'm name is a label form. I will show you code editor view at form 1, which is when you click a login button, it will appear a form 2, but you may have to put and write some code in form 1, which is you must type form2.show and I added a comment, which is after click the login button, it will appear a second form, which is a welcome to homepage. So thank you to watching this video, the project I create, which is lab task 1, a simple project, and thank you for watching.